1937 International Cab Over truck. Bought the cab out of California, brought the cab back. We were approached by AccuAir Suspension last year. We wanted to build it, have it at SEMA for last year. So I rounded up a bunch of friends and said, hey guys, can we get this thing done for SEMA? And they all agreed. So we pulled everybody's talents the best we could to get everybody focused on what they could do best. And this is it. This is what we built. So
Great.
everybody had a little piece of the pie. Friends, you know, make the dream work. So
What kind of motor you running in
it's
it?
a 12-valve compound turbo, Cummins 5.9, Allison 1000 series transmission. Just felt the truck needed a diesel because it's a big truck.
Needs
for
a
the
diesel.
look.
Yeah. It's nice.
Chris here, handmade all this sheet metal.
It's all 18 gauge paint grip sheet metal, all hand fabricated. Panels each night made and then taken to his place to fabricate and put on. And then the next night, you know, it's back and forth for 2.5 months, just running parts and putting it all together. And a group of friends helping weld it together and get it, just like make it happen.
Wow. Nice job, you guys. Nice job.
Well, that's good. I hope so.
Well, I thank you guys for talking.
Yeah, really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's awesome.